You know, I got this thing for $3. I don't know if it works, but for $3, why not? It doesn't even have a brand name. That's pretty wild. There we go. There's a brand name. Ziweo. Look at that. I remember when these things used to be quite expensive. You know what, I'm going to leave that cable in because I know that once I take it out I'll probably never get it in the same way. Well, assuming that works, that's probably the best $3 I've spent in a while. I'm putting it away and I forgot this piece. It flew out. Look at that. Bonus piece.